Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets in bathrooms. Now, the figure loop says if you wanted to check out the receptacles and their location in a bathroom, you would go to figure 10-15 in chapter 10. And basically, if a receptacle outlet's within 6 foot of that bathtub, it has to be GFCI protected. And you'd need a receptacle for each one of those basins without you put the receptacle in the center so you could plug in from each basin. But you would look at 210.52 and pick up the part that dealt with bathrooms. But what this section is requiring, at least one wall switched outlet. And you'd want it on the side. When you open the door, you just reach over and flip it on or turn it turn it off, whatever, if you're exiting the room. So this figure 11-7 is a very simple illustration that illustrates the lighting outlets in bathrooms in accordance with 210.70A1. But let me mention to you that if there's receptacles in there, then they would be installed in accordance with 210.52, but they'd be GFCI protected by 210.8A. So keep that in mind and review the figure 10-15 for receptacles in that bathroom. But this figure 11-7 is only illustrating lighting outlets in the bathroom in accordance with 210.70, A is in Apple 1.